Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to unpin an app from your system shelf on your Chromebook. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the launcher and search for settings. Best result, you come back with settings here. Go ahead and open that up. And then on the left panel, you want to select apps. And then on the right side, you want to go underneath apps, manage your apps. Go ahead and select that. And then locate the app that you want to remove from your shelf and select where it's pinned to shelf. Click inside that oval to toggle that off and it should become removed from the shelf down here. And that's what you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.